In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header from Google Forms. This is a really handy skill to have when customizing your forms to give them a cleaner and more professional look. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to Google Drive, which is where you'll find all your Google Forms. Once you're in Google Drive, you should see a section labeled Apps on the left hand side of the screen. Click on Apps and you'll notice a drop down menu. From here, you'll want to select Forms. This will take you to the Google Forms section where all your forms are conveniently stored. Now go ahead and locate the specific form you want to edit. Just click on the form to open it. Once the form is open, look at the top right corner of the screen for the Customize Theme or Palette icon. Clicking this will open a sidebar on the right where you can adjust various form settings. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see an option at the top of this sidebar called Header, which includes an icon that looks like a picture. Click on this and you'll see a new window pop up with a button labeled Choose Image. This is where you can upload a new header image if you wish to change or update it. But since we want to remove the header, go ahead and click on the Choose Image button anyway. This will bring up the image library along with any images you've previously uploaded. If you just want to remove the header without replacing it, look for the image that's currently being used as the header. Once you've located it, simply click on the little X next to it. This magical X is your delete button here. By clicking it, you effectively remove the header image from your form, leaving it nice and clean, and there you have it. With those simple steps, you've learned how to access your form through Google Drive, navigate to the customization options, and remove any existing header image. This is a great way to simplify your form design and give it a minimal look, especially if you find the header to be more distracting than helpful. Remember, customizing your form is all about making it work for you, so feel free to play around with these settings. And that wraps up our guide today. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that you're now more comfortable with managing your Google Forms header. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.